Hi, my name is AJ Sloane.
And I'm Danny Bass.
And this is a scene from Lady Bird. I'm so glad we did this. We're not virgins anymore.
I didn't lose my virginity to you.
What?
I lost my virginity to Cassie Duvall.
Excuse me? You said you were a virgin.
Well, I'm telling you I'm not, and I haven't lied in like 2 years, so... You're being really moody right now.
You did say you were a virgin.
You're deciding to be upset?
No, I am upset.
I've slept with like, I don't know, 6 girls.
You don't even know if it's 6 girls?
I don't know, I don't keep a list.
Why wouldn't you keep a list, idiot? We're in high school.
This is so stupid. You were getting upset with me for something that is completely outside of my control.